CONCAT allows you to combine the contents of multiple cells into one. For example, if you have different parts of an email address stored in separate cells, you can use CONCAT to merge them into a complete email. You can then apply the same formula to other rows to automatically create email addresses for your entire list. Next is the concatenate function, which works similarly but is often used for combining names or text with spaces. If you want to join a first name and last name from different cells into one full name, you will have to include a space between them in the formula and between the cells. Concatenate will then create the full name as a single text string. Like CONCAT, you can drag the formula down to apply it to multiple rows at once. And if you loved this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips.